Hi, welcome to MSA TV. My name is Bob Apel. I'm the Fall Protection Business Manager for MSA North America. Today's episode we'll be talking about the Evotech harness, which I have here to my right, and also have a sample over here that we'll be going through some of our features, key features of this product. The Evotech harness is loaded with features that improve ease of use and comfort for the user. The focus of developing this product was really to give the customers what they wanted, technological advancements that improve comfort and ease of use without really adding complexity or having any of those advancements being obtrusive to the user. I'd like to start off with some of the shoulder padding. And there were some advancements in shoulder padding. I know a lot of people would say, well, what can you really do with padding that would be a technological advancement? Well, one of the things that we've done with shoulder padding on this product is we've eliminated the binding edge. Every type of shoulder pad in the marketplace today has a binding edge on it, which is a very coarse, hard piece of webbing tape that goes on the edge of the pad that rides against the neck that can promote chafing, things of that nature, discomfort along the neck. What we've done is we've taken the edge of our padding and we've eliminated that binding edge, rolling the comfortable padding underneath around to the side of the pad so that that's what is rubbing against your neck or in contact with the neck, significantly improving comfort and reducing the potential for chafing. We also use a breathable material on the back to help keep you cooler whenever you are working in a warm environment or wearing the harness all day. And the breathable pad, in addition to wicking the moisture away, also is much smaller than many competitive pads on the market. And the reason for that is less surface area coverage actually keeps the product lighter weight by minimizing the size of the pad, and it also helps keep the user cooler by not putting coverage or any type of cover over areas of the body where padding is not needed. Let's move on to the leg strap design of the harness. One of the unique features of this product is the leg strap design, and it's designed to put the leg straps more horizontal all around the thigh rather than having a very sharp angle as most harnesses do where the leg straps come down. Now what this really does is it keeps the leg straps in place during movement as the user walks and works and squats and stands up and climbs stairs and climbs ladders. The leg straps stay in place and they move with the user. It increases the mobility along with comfort by you can add a leg strap pad, which I can show you on this sample here, that improves the comfort on the leg straps as well. The subpelvic pad on this, or subpelvic strap, I'm sorry, on this harness is a variable width piece of webbing that goes around the back side of the harness. And what it does is it gives you 50% greater surface area over which to disperse your weight in work positioning or personnel riding type of applications. It essentially creates a seat, making those applications much more comfortable for the user of the product. We also have on this harness dual colored webbing, and as you see when you pick the harness up, you can very easily see that on the inside of the harness you have a black webbing, and on the outside of the harness you have the red webbing. And that dual colored webbing significantly improves the donning process or simplifies the donning process because you can get a very quick visual as to how this product goes on. It also helps you identify twisted straps whenever you would don the harness, so you can see very quickly and easily if you have the product on correctly once you have donned it. We also in the webbing have included reflective piping. And this reflective piping, there's two strips that come down here along the edge of the web that in low light environments, anytime, for instance, road construction, things like that, car headlights were to hit this in a low light environment, it would shine off very brightly so that give you the workers increased visibility when they're on their job site. There's a number of different buckles available for this harness style. We have a quick connect type buckle, which there's many styles of these on the marketplace. We also have what we call a quick fit buckle, which looks like this. You have two mating pieces that fit through each other. And then there's also a tongue buckle variant as well, which is very similar to the type of connection you have on a belt that you would wear to help hold your pants up, things like that. One of the key features of this product is a single hand torso adjustment. And when you're adjusting the torso strap, rather than having to manipulate webbing through a buckle, do all those different kinds of things to manipulate the web through the buckle to make it, to adjust it to your size, all you need to do is grab the piece of webbing on either side of the torso strap, pull them down, and it'll tighten the product up properly on the body. The three-position back D-ring on this product makes it easier for users to connect their lanyard to their harness. Some manufacturers go the approach of having a spring-loaded stand-up back D-ring so that it's in the upward position at all times. The issue with having the D-ring located in the upward position all the time is not everybody can reach over their shoulder to connect their shock-absorbing lanyard. So what we've done is created this three-position back D-ring where the user can position their back D-ring in an upward position so that if they're more comfortable connecting over their shoulder, they can do that. You can position it straight outward in that position to make it easier to connect, or if the user is more comfortable reaching under their shoulder to make their connection to their back D-ring, they can position it in a downward position. We also have 2 lanyard clips on every EvoTech harness, one on each side. And these are Velcro lanyard clips, so you can move these lanyard clips anywhere on the harness that you feel is most comfortable for you. You can put them above the adjuster buckle, you can put them above the chest strap, you can even put them up onto the shoulder, more further up on the shoulder strap, wherever's most comfortable for you. And the point of the lanyard clip is to take the unused leg of any lanyard and be able to put that into that lanyard clip so that it stays out of the way when you're working or walking and don't need to use the actual lanyard. This product is also RFID enabled, and on the back of the harness you have the label pack. The covered label pack protects the labels from damage, improving service life of the product, but also has the RFID chip in here. And the purpose of the RFID chip is it allows easy tracking of the product and easy product inspection. Another feature of the label pack on this product is a label that is on top of the label pack that denotes the size of the harness. So that if you're working in an area where you have multiple harnesses and you need to be able to issue them out of a tool crib, for instance, on a daily basis, you can very quickly and easily see what size harness you have without having to open up the label pack and read the actual labels themselves. Another feature on the harness is the nanosphere coating on the webbing itself. Nanosphere coating repels water, dirt, grease, etc., which really increases the product life of the harness itself. We've also included web finials on this harness, and what the web finials do is they prevent the ends of the webbing from fraying, again promoting or increasing service life of the product. There's many different options overall that you can get with the EvoTech harness, many different D-ring options. There are back D-ring obviously on everything, hip D-ring, shoulder D-rings, chest D-ring as you see here. You can also get many different types of connector buckles. I reviewed that earlier in the program. You can get integral shock absorbers on the back of the harness as well as back D extension. You can get an integral trauma suspension safety step, medical ID label, just to name a few of the features that are available for this product. And they're all available through our assemble-to-order system. The product also meets all OSHA, ANSI, and CSA standards. And just as I finish up this episode on the EvoTech harness, you don't necessarily need to take it from me in terms of how great this harness is. During our field trials, what we do is we ask customers to use the product in the field for a number of weeks, and then at the end of that evaluation period, we ask them to send in evaluation forms to us. And if I could just for a moment, again, these are the words of your peers, people using this product in the field. With regards to the fit of the EvoTech harness compared to the product that they're currently using. And I think it's important to note that the users of these studies were people who are using ExoFit harnesses, Revolution harnesses, Ride-On harnesses, competitive harnesses to MSA. Again, in terms of comfort, this customer commented that leg straps lower on the leg, as we talked about earlier in this program. Leg straps lower on the leg are more comfortable to work in. Here's another user, construction worker. He says that this is absolutely the best harness I have ever put on. Here's a crane operator. He says the harness feels light and is very easy to move around in. Carpenter, looking at this particular product, very easy to put on and take off, very comfortable to use. Here's someone from Vermont, another construction worker from Vermont, saying that the padding is very comfortable and the buckles are very easy to use. We have a customer from Virginia, in the Virginia area, who is an ExoFit user and a Duraflex user, and he says the leg strap fit is much nicer than he's used to. And the capacity is great on this particular product. He loves the leg strap design and the reflectivity in the webbing. The last one I have here is another construction site. This customer, in terms of donning and doffing the harness, commented that he loved the adjustment for the torso straps, very quick, easy, and painless to use. So there you have it, the Evotech harness. Most comfortable harness and the easiest to use on the market today. Well, that's it for this episode of MSA TV for the Evotech harness. My name is Bob Apel, the Fall Protection Product Manager for MSA North America. And if you want more information on this product or any other MSA product, please log on to msanet.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next episode of MSA TV.